Hi, I'm Seri Robinson and welcome to another Tool Tuesday. Today I want to talk to you about my absolute favorite tool for the lathe, the traditionally ground bowl gouge. You'll note it's flat on the top with low wings. It's not a fingernail gouge at all. It's a very old grind and I found a big use for it when working with spalted wood, particularly very punky spalted wood, because it allows a nice bevel rub which will keep a lot of your fibers from tearing out. If you're unfamiliar with spalted wood, it's wood that's been decayed by fungi, so it's got soft pockets in it that can really tear out when you use carbide or scrapers. The bowl gouge is really nice because you can ride this bevel and avoid the tear out. Just to show you real fast, I'm going to do the inside of a ring box, just a really simple cut, nothing major. Just going to take off this tenon. So one of the things I really like about this tool is the more you ride the bevel, the cleaner the cut you get. If you look outside here, it's just a roughing gouge. It really pulled out that soft spalted wood. But then if you take a look at that same area, here with the bowl gouge, it's really laid all those potential torn fibers down. Here where I lost the angle, you can see it tore out a little bit. But as long as we were here riding that bevel, that's a beautiful, beautiful cut. Using this bowl gouge eliminates the need for sandpaper on spalted wood or any type of stabilization once you get the hang of how to use it. That's just one of the kinds of classes we have here at Marc Adams. Take a look at some of the others.